Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Clinical features of Cobra or Krait. Cobra and Krait are neurotoxic and causes ascending paralysis with minimal or no local reaction at the site of bite. Local features of Cobra and Krait starts by 8 minutes. The patient has burning pain with oozing and blood-stained fluid. Systemic features like drowsiness, weakness, reluctant to walk or stand, then paralysis begins. First manifestation is ptosis, that is paralysis of the lower limb and trunk. Head falls down. Then there is paralysis of facial muscles are seen, jaw paralysis, and muscles of deglutition becomes paralyzed and tongue becomes paralyzed, and this paralysis becomes completed by 2 hours. Cause of death is by respiratory failure, mainly due to the paralysis of respiratory muscles and paralysis of tongue.
thank you and thank you for watching.